Now we're going to take a look at the letter da. Da. And as you can see here, da is represented in its printed formats: independent, initial, medial, and final. And now we'll practice handwriting the letter da. Da in its independent format. It's basically the same as the letter sa. The only exception is the dot right on top of the da. So we're going to start right on the line and draw a loop, backwards U, and one dot on the top. One more time. An oval loop and a backwards U. And don't forget the dot. Da. Da in its initial position. Start right on the line, an oval loop, tooth, and a line. And of course we need the dot. One more time. Right on the line, oval loop, tooth, line, and the dot. Da. Da in its medial position. You're going to start right on the line, draw a line, and then the oval loop, tooth, line, and the dot. One more time. The line, oval loop, tooth, line, and the dot. Da. Da in its final position. A line, oval loop, and a backwards U. Don't forget the dot. One more time. Line, oval loop, backwards U, and the dot. Da. Now, let's practice writing the letter da in a couple of words. The first word, dababi. Dababi. The first sound is da, so we do the oval loop, tooth, line, and the dot. Daba, need ba, the dot. Daba, need aleph. Dababi, another ba. Dababi, and ya at the end. Two dots under for the ya. Dababi. The next word is istihdar. Istihdar. The first sound is e, which is aleph, marked with kasra. E. Is, and then we need sa. T, and then we need ta. Ha. The next word is istihdar. Istihdar. The first sound is e, which is aleph, marked with kasra, because it's e. Is, and then we need sa. T, then we need ta. Ha. Da. Then we need da, loop, tooth, and the dot. Da. Then we need aleph. dar, and ra at the end. استحضار. The last word is أرض. أرض. The first sound is a, which is aleph. أرض. And then we need ra. أرض. And the last sound is da. Oval loop, backwards U, and the dot. أرض.